Hello students, standard 7th. We started the revision of chapter number 1, integers. Integer is a collection of numbers like whole numbers, and with that we add the negative numbers -1, -2 and so on. So we know that 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called the positive integers. -1, -2, -3 are the negative integers. But 0 is in the middle, which is neither positive nor a negative integer. It is a neutral integer. And we saw that positive integers are on the right side of the 0 and they all are greater than 0. Negative integers are on the left side of the 0 and they all are smaller than 0. Also we learn the different properties: closure property, commutativity, associativity, then identity element for addition, identity element for multiplication, then the opposite or the additive inverse of the number, multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of the numbers also. Now today we are going to do some another sums, like fill in the blanks with the integers. Now fill in the blank with integer. So you have to put appropriate integer in the given blank. Let's take the first one. -7 multiplied by blank is equal to 56. We know that 7 multiplied by 8, 7 8s are 56. So if you put 8, answer is 56, but there is a problem here, that -7 multiply 8, one negative and one positive, then answer is -56. But to make it positive, we can write down here -8. So two negative integers will make a positive. So negative becomes a positive. So answer is -8. Second one, 9 multiplied by blank is equal to -63. So now if you know the table of 9, 9 sevens are 63. But 63 have negative sign. It means that one of them must have a negative sign. 9 is already positive. So answer will be -7. Third blank. -4 multiplied by -4 is equal to how much? So now 4 4s are 16. Is there -16 because -4 multiplied by -4 -16? No, then you are wrong. In a hurry, if you can write down that one, because -4 4s are 16, so -4 multiplied by -4 -16. But no, it is not true. Negative becomes positive. So your answer must be 16. Fourth blank. Blank multiplied by -5 is equal to 55. So which number is such that we multiply by 5 becomes 55? We know that 11 5s are 55. So answer should be 11. But here 1 is negative but answer is positive. So to make it positive, minus 11 should be there. So minus 11 multiplied by minus 5 equals 55. Fifth one. 35 divided by minus 5 is equal to blank. Now if you divide 35 by 5, then what will be your answer? 5 7s are 35. So it must be 7. But one of them is negative, so the quotient also will be negative. So it will be minus 7. Sixth blank. 72 divided by blank is equal to minus 8. So now we know that in the 8th table 8 9s are 70. So if you divide 72 by 9, you get minus 8. But here also it is the same problem, that answer is negative, so one of the numbers must be negative. 72 is positive, so there will be minus 9 in the answer. Seventh one. Minus 112 divided by minus 16. So now if you take the table of 16, then 16 sevens are 112. So answer is 7 or minus 7, because both are negative. No. When both are negative, the answer becomes positive, because negative and negative will be cancelled. So division of two negative integers or product of two negative integers will be a positive. So answer is 7 only. Eighth blank. Minus 37 multiplied by blank is equal to 0. Now, to number, what should be multiplied with to get 0? Obviously 0. So minus 37 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Now the ninth one. Minus 45 multiplied by blank is equal to 45. Now we know that 45 ones are 45. So answer can be 1. But minus 45 ones will be minus 45. So if you want to make it plus, both should be negative. So it can be only minus 1. So minus 45 multiplied by minus 1 will be the last 10 one. Minus 34 divided by blank is 2. Now we know that 17 twos are 34. So if you divide 34 by 17, you get the answer 2. But if it is positive, then both should be negative. So we cannot take 17, but the answer will be minus 17. So when you give the answer, when you put the answer, be careful with the positive or negative sign should be there in the answer. Now find each of the following products. But as I told you, be careful about the sign. First one, minus 5 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 1. So here you can see that 5 fours is 20. Negative negative becomes positive multiplied by minus 1. 20 ones are 20 and 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So the answer is 20. Second, 20 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. So here it is easier here. So 20 multiplied by 5, 2s are 10, negative negative becomes positive. So 20 multiplied by 10 is 200. Third one, 3 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 2. So here you can take anything. So 3 multiplied by 4, 2s are 8, negative negative positive. So 3 8s are 24. Minus 70 multiplied by minus 120 multiplied by 0. So in this situation, students just waste their time. They will multiply 70 by 120. But then they will see that multiply by 0. Then why to worry? Everything multiplied by 0, what is your answer? 0. So directly you can write an answer because it is. Here, mental marks, not for the method. You have to use your mind that whenever is 0 is there in the multiplication, you don't have to multiply anything. Just write down 0. Minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 7. So minus 4 3s are minus 12 multiplied by minus 7. Now negative negative becomes positive. 12 7s are. So answer is 84. Sixth one. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Now 4 4s are 16. Positive because negative negative, but another one is still minus. So 16 4s are 64, but one still negative. So answer will be minus 64. Now we will take some, arrange the given integers in ascending order. Ascending order, you know that means we have to start from the smallest number, then greater, and then greatest number. So it will be jumbled, not in the ascending order. So we have to think which is the smallest number and then we have to arrange them. So first set is minus 15, 31, 0, minus 5, minus 37. Now their ascending order. will be like that. So now check which one is the smallest. Don't tell me that 0 is the smallest, because 0 is in the middle. It cannot be the smallest. Negative numbers are the smaller number. So now which is the smaller? Smallest number, because there are 3 negative numbers. What do you think? Which one is the smallest? -5? No. Because generally we know that when the numbers are there, you have to think the number line. We know that in the number line, on the number line 0 is in the middle. And as you go left side, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So now, if 0 is here, -1, -2, -3, -5 will be here, -15 will be somewhere here, and -37 will be there, last side. So it will be on the left side of all the. It means that -37 is the smallest number among this one. So -37, comma. Then the -15 number, then -5, then 0, and then 31. That is very important. Let's take another one. -29, 12, 29, -12, 45, -45. So, ascending order. So you can see that all numbers are same, all positive and negative. So first, among these 3 negative numbers, -45 is the smallest number. Then there will be minus, because in the negative numbers, you have to remember that smaller is bigger and bigger is smaller. Because if you see the digits only, as the digits are getting bigger and bigger, the value becomes smaller. So -100, it looked like very big, but it is very small. So here -45, then -29, then -12. And then positive numbers, we already know that 12 will be the smallest. Then the 29, and at last there will be 45. Now take some in the descending order. Arrange in descending order. In descending order we have to do the same, but only in the reverse. Means largest first and then go for smaller and smaller and smaller. First one is 0, 19, -37, 48, -12, 89. So here we have to start from the largest number. So positive numbers, so 89 will be first. Descending order. So in descending order, 89 will be the first. All the positive numbers, so 48, then 19, then 0, and then -12, and then last minus 37. That will be the smallest number. So I'm not getting more of descending order because it is same thing. If you know how to do ascending order, then reverse is the descending order. So I took only one example here. So we are going to finish the session. Will be followed by the PDF file, maybe some examples for your self practice, and any problem write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.